want you, I need you forever, girl.
Come on and take the journey through the life and times of Jeff Jones, a child who found a place to hide inside his headphones. He felt denied, so every night he cried out his eyes on any pillow he lied his head on. His father left home, his mom's was just gone. It made his heart as dark as his outside flesh tone. So when he got tested, of course he would explode. He saw anger as a form of expression and let go.
Just one bite, live all the time. Tell me what you like, come and enjoy the life. Just one bite, live all the time. Oh baby, take
I'm celebrating life, my heart is open now. I want you to come in and share my love. I'm celebrating life, my heart is open now. I believe in love. Tonight's the night for love to take love. The way I touch you, tell me how much you really care for me. Tell me your love, your secrets tonight, baby. I just wanna be your everything, baby.
Every breath that I breathe, I mean every word that I speak. For every single person on this earth working the streets, every fatherless child, those bleak, hurting and weak. I hope encouragement occurs from every verse that I leak. I've lived in pain, but I know it's people worse than me, so I pray for them and pray their prayers get reversed to me. Personally, I face adversity and curse defeat. When it encourages me, I'm trying to be the first to lead my life.
I love the way you smile, brightens up my world. You're special, and I know you are the one for me. I'll take the first step and you'll take the next. Together we can make it, girl, baby, you and I. Please tell me, baby, now's the right time. You and I, it's the night.
That's why I don't believe in A and R's, because they made us the way we are. So I just believe in praying to God, playing hard and hoping that I make it far. I'm outrageous with the flows, I'm amazing with bars, but still this garbage keep making the charts. Yeah, I take it to heart. I'm about to make the same blatant remarks that put my boy Kanye in the dark.
Twice, three times, I can't see nothing. All over my eyes, I guess that means something. But wait, pause, think for a minute. It's my world and bitch, I just let you live in it. I'm running the show, I'm the coach of the team. I'm the motherfucking queen, if you know what I mean. I'm not 50 Cent, but I'll run New York now. You're just lucky, I won't kick your ass out. Singing can't love me, you fooled me, but it's all in the past. But what can I say now? I just hate your ass. I'm running the show, I'm the coach of the scene.